Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to make another dip because it is
Dip week. Oh, that was so corny.
What is this?
I liked it though.
What's this called?
Okay, this one is a sun-dried pesto dip. And it's super easy. It's a beautiful color red. Holidays coming. It's so easy to make for company. Or if you're going to a party, whip it up, take it in a container, take some veggies with it. What do you think?
It's rich.
Is it?
It's good. I love sun-dried.
Oh, that's good. That might be my favorite for dip week.
It might be, but just wait.
Just wait.
More's coming.
That's right.
So check out how to make it, and we'll show you how.
All right. I'll show them how.
Okay. Okay, so to get the recipe,
Click the link below. Hey, Charlie. Click the link below. Below.
check it out.